Looking for the best deals on a brand new home in one of the hottest master plan communities in Florida? Well, you're in luck. Today we're diving into the best deals on new construction homes in Wellen Park right now. From irresistible builder incentives to some of the lowest prices we've ever seen. This is your chance to snag a perfect place to call home at a great price. Stick around for all the details. I'm Josh with That Florida Life, and together with my wife Liz, we help you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about by providing you with the best and most enjoyable home buying and relocation experience possible. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our Florida travel, lifestyle, and real estate videos. One thing we always tell our clients is real estate is all about timing. And as you may know, the market down here in Southwest Florida has cooled off a little bit with an increase in inventory and a reduction in overall sales prices. As a result, there are some pretty amazing deals in the area, especially on new construction homes from builders in Wellen Park. So if you've been considering a cozy new condo or villa, single family home, or a large luxury home in Wellen Park, right now might be the best time to score a fantastic deal for you and the family. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best deals in 5 Wellen Park communities and highlight some of their current best priced inventory. If you haven't already, be sure to grab a free copy of our Wellen Park relocation guide, which includes a great community comparison sheet. You can also scan the code here on your phone or visit our website at thatfloridalife.com. Keep in mind, currently the builders in Wellen Park are covering buyer agent fees. So essentially you can have my help and expertise without any extra coming out of your pocket. And when it comes to new construction, it's beneficial and recommended to have an experienced realtor like myself represent you and your family during the entire home buying process. That's because the sales reps at these new communities do not work for you, they work for the builder. But as your agent, I work for you. My job is to not only advise you and guide you along every step of the home buying process, but it's to ensure the builder keeps your best interests in mind during the process. Okay, so let's dive into specifics, but keep in mind that inventory is moving fast and availability and pricing changes daily. So just because a deal is here today doesn't mean it'll be here tomorrow. If any of these communities or homes interest you, please reach out to me. Let's get into it. Wellen Park Golf and Country Club continues to build fast, but there are still opportunities to get in this community at a great price. Their main amenity area just opened up recently with their pool, gym, and tiki bar for food and drink. They also have their pickleball, bocce ball, tennis courts, and dog park open too. In the future, they will also be building an even larger clubhouse with more restaurants as well. Right now, they are wrapping up new construction on their condos, including some of their last condos with golf membership included. These are priced in the mid to low 300,000 range, depending on which floor and which unit you choose. You can also get into one of their very popular veranda condos, which includes a garage, for possibly under 300,000. These terrace condos do not come with golf membership, but they do have full access to all the amenities and all the social events at the country club. These units have golf course views and are also right near a couple of the satellite pools, so you don't have to go all the way up to the main amenity area for a quick swim. We have helped a lot of families into this community across every type of home in here, from condos to coach homes to larger single family homes as well. Be sure to check out all of our videos about Wellen Park Golf and Country Club here on our channel, as well as our model tours for all their different types of home floor plans. And let us know if you have any questions or want to snag one of these deals for yourself. I know the sales reps here very well and have worked with them a lot, so I know we can get you a great deal on a fantastic spot. Wysteria is almost finished with their new construction. So the builder is looking to finish out the community and move the remaining inventory of homes they have. That is to our advantage. Currently, they are offering single-family homes in the mid to low 400,000 range, which is a fantastic price for a new home in Wellen Park. Some of the deals in this price range include their Imagination 2 floor plan, Dream 2, and even the Patriot floor plan. These are all 3 bedrooms, 2 bath with a den home. Many of them have impact windows and even some extended garages and lanais. I've said this before to my clients, timing is everything when buying into a gated community. Now is a great time to snag one of these last single-family homes in Wysteria while they are still available. This is a boutique community with small amenities, and in addition to single-family homes, they have some deals on their last remaining villas as well. This is a popular community for seasonal residents and snowbirds too. I've helped hundreds of families find and build homes here, and recently we've been able to score some fantastic deals on new construction homes. But remember, the best deals out there on new homes are not just based on price, but it's also the extra incentives being offered by builders that can really add up and make a huge difference in the total cost out of your pocket. Because of my relationships and reputation in Wellen Park as a top real estate agent, I've been able to negotiate some really great incentives, like paying for closing costs, free design upgrades, discounted interest rates, even golf carts, as well as many other incentives that you won't find advertised by the builder. But I know about these incentives because I've helped other families get them. I'm in Wellen Park every day because I work with so many families and have so many new construction projects in progress across all the communities. I'm there checking in with the construction managers on projects, but I'm also there every day talking with the sales reps to get updates on their current inventory and incentives. So I'm in the loop on what's going on, and they share with me upcoming inventory and deals that they know my clients will love. Sunstone is a vibrant community with full resort style amenities that are open and being enjoyed by the residents. They currently have several great homes available in their 40-foot home floor plans, going for anywhere between high to mid 400,000 range, but we have been known to get them even lower than that. Give me a call and we can talk more about that and how we were able to do that. Right now they have a few passage floor plan homes available with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths starting from the low 400,000 range and up, as well as a couple greenways with either a 3-2 or a 2-2 plus a study for the low to mid 400s. They also have some Pelican floor plans available with either 3 beds or 2 beds plus a den with 2.5 baths for the low to mid 400,000 range as well. These price points will vary depending on the lot size and location, and if the homes have a water or preserve view. Sunstone recently expanded with a new section called Sunstone Lakeside. These two communities are joined together by a golf cart bridge. The Lakeside section has its own separate gated entrance and will also have their own resort-style amenities area in the future. But a great perk is that residents from both Sunstone and Sunstone Lakeside communities will have access to both amenity areas. In Sunstone Lakeside, you will find larger floor plan options, including homes with 3-car garages. This community is just getting off the ground, but we actually have the very first family closing in here next month. So they will be the first residents living in Lakeside, and they are super excited. In Sunstone Lakeside, you can grab a 50-foot home currently from the mid 500,000s to the mid 600,000 range. Right now, I see they have a few homes with the Glades floor plan available in the mid 500,000 range. This is a great layout that many of our clients like, with 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and a flex room, right around 2,000 square feet. We do have a video model tour here on our channel, so make sure to check that out to see if it fits for you and your family. They also have some great gateway floor plans available, which are a bit larger, and they come in around 2,200 square feet from the high 500,000, and includes 3 bedrooms plus a flex and 2.5 baths. And I see a few Dayspring floor plans available as well, from the high 500,000 range to the low 600,000 range. Mattamy Homes are known for adding on a bunch of incentives on the back end of deals, so it is helpful to have a realtor that has worked with Sunstone and Mattamy Homes, because we make sure that all of our families don't miss out on any incentives. Brightmore is a hot community in Wellen Park. It's the only 55 and over community here, but it's a grand flagship community for Mattamy Homes with some of the biggest and most amazing resort style amenities you'll find in this entire area. The amenities are actually getting close to opening, so now's a great time to get in and snag a great deal before those amenities open up. Right now you'll find some great deals on their paired villas as well as their 40 and 50 foot single family homes. For example, right now they have a couple Auburn villas for around $350,000 that are ready to be moved into right now. I also see some Maya and Champagne villa floor plans available from anywhere between the low 400,000s to the mid 400,000s. They also have some great deals on single family homes and their 40-foot floor plans. For example, they have a couple of 2-bedroom, 2-bath Cobalt homes that are ready now for under $400,000. That's a deal. There are also some sandstone, lapis, and coral floor plans available now from the low 400,000s and on up to the $500,000 range, and even higher depending on location of their home and all the finishings inside. Brightmore also has some larger single family homes in their 50-foot range available at some great prices. 2 of their lowest priced homes in this range include the Mandarin floor plan and the Sage floor plan. These are going to be in the mid to high 500,000 range. Their Terra Rosa is a very, very popular model with 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a study at nearly 2,500 square feet. They do have a couple of these available in the high 600,000 range. We've helped a lot of families into Brightmore, and these are definitely some great price points if you are wanting to get into this community now. And again, being a Mattamy home community, we know a lot of additional incentives we can get along with these great prices to sweeten our deal. If you're curious what incentives they are offering and what we could get these homes for, definitely give me a call to talk in more detail. Alright, if you're ready to take the next steps and discover your dream home, we're here to help. Call, text, or email us today for more information on any of these communities, or to get an up-to-date list of their current inventory, incentives, and pricing. I'm not a pressure guy by any means, but just being honest with you, these deals won't last forever. I am currently seeing inventory and availability change daily. So if you've been thinking about buying a home here, now might be the right time for you and your family. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to talking to you soon and helping you and your family get down here to our little slice of paradise. We'll see you next time.